Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to group layers in Picsart. To group layers in Picsart is super easy. Launch open the Picsart application on your device and then select Open your recent project. Tap the plus button at the bottom and choose one of the recent projects where you have multiple layers in it. You can also start up a new project and then add various elements like text, stickers, photos, or shapes. I'm just gonna add a random shape over here just to make it clear to you. And once you have multiple layers on the canvas, tap the layer icon which is located at the top right corner, which looks like square stacks right under the apply button. After the layer option has been opened up, go ahead and tap on the lock button right next to each layers. And after you do that, you will be able to group the layer all together in the image. To ungroup the layer, you can simply go ahead and tap on the lock button once again, and the layer will then be movable. So that is how you will be able to group layers in Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.